Hello and welcome everybody back to this channel. Today we're reacting to the rock version from the song Unholy by Sam, the original is by Sam Smith and Kim Petras, and now the rock cover is by Rain Paris. I don't know if I know the original song, but yeah, let's get started. But first I want to say thank you to the user NoFace because he or she recommended in the comments. So let's get started.
Doing something unholy.
Ooh. Oh, it's getting dark. Wow. Yeah, man. I love the outfits that they both have. Both, three of them. The Freddy Krueger sweatshirt and yeah, this one. And she has, I don't know what it actually is, but a really cool outfit. Oh, it's the high quality of these covers from them. Really cool. It's a slow pushing song. Yeah, man. Oh, with double A's. Oh, this was a really great part. Wow. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I love the visuals in their videos. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is really great. I love their covers. Really cool. She has a great voice. What else can I say? And yeah, I've seen that they upload very often, in my opinion. But that's really cool. So yeah, it was nice as always. So if you have some other song suggestions, you can put it down in the comments below, and we see us next time. Bye.